everybody, and welcome to another exciting tech video brought to you by the KWU Tech Training Team. My name is CJ Johnson. I'm a training specialist on the tech training team. This video series is called Dive into the Details of DocuSign, and the objective of this training video is to show you how to create and use static data form templates to increase your DocuSign knowledge. So static data form templates are used so that whenever you have to fill out information that's static or the same information from transaction to transaction, you can create a template that will put that information across all of your forms. It's really going to save you a lot of time. So let's check out what that looks like. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on My Documents at the top of the screen. So I'm going to click My Documents. Now, there's two sections here. We have a My Packets area. We're going to ignore that area and scroll down to the bottom where it says My Forms. This is where we're going to create and manage our static data form templates. Now, we can see at the bottom here where we can manage those past static data form templates. We can edit them from here, copy them, delete them. All those management tools are here at the bottom. Now, in order to create a new static data form template, we're going to go to the right-hand side of the screen and click on New Template. This is going to allow us to go into our library and select that DocuSign form that we want to use and attach a static data form template to. Now, it's key that you're picking a form that has a lot of that static information that doesn't change, like your license number, your phone number, email, maybe your market center or brokerage address, things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and select that form that I want to use. It's going to pull up the form here as if we're going in and filling in those fields. But this is us applying the template and really creating the template here. In the upper left-hand corner, this is where we're going to first change the title of the template. This is going to help you with your organization as you go and look for that template later. So if you go up to the top here, upper left-hand corner, click on the black pencil. This is where we can update that title. Now, pick something that's going to help you remember where that title's at or that template's at in your organization. I like to put the date here just as a best practice. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to go ahead and click on that green check mark there. All right, as we scroll down to the bottom here, we're going to find those areas that have a lot of that static information to plug in. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my broker here, my name here, if I am the listing associate, maybe my license number, my email, phone number, maybe the office address here as well. Maybe there's an office phone number that doesn't change, that city that it's in, state, zip code, etc. Now, once we have this information plugged in, we'll go ahead and click Save and Close to save that template. All right, from here, we'll just need to get back into our room so that we can apply the templates. Now that we're back in our DocuSign room, I'm going to show you two ways to apply this static data form template to your forms. All right. First way is by going and adding the form to your room. Let's say we have not added the form to our room yet. So we can go to that blue add button on the right-hand side. We're going to go to DocuSign Forms. Then we're just going to go to that library and add that form that we want to the room. Now, if it's this form that I want to add, notice on the right-hand side, we have a drop down for the template. This is where I can apply that template. So if I have not added the form to the room yet, I can simultaneously add the form to the room and apply the template at the same time. Now, let's say the form is already in our room, just like we see here. I already have DocuSign form in the room. All I have to do to apply the template here is just right-click over that form and go to the option that says Apply Form Template. Once I do that, I'll see the templates that I've created, and this is where updating the title of that template will come into play so that you can find it a lot easier. And I've done that here. We'll go ahead and select it and apply. Okay, once we've applied the template, all we have to do is click on the form and go into it to see how it was applied. So I'm going to scroll down to that area where we know our information was applied for that template to the form. And voila, there's our information there, plugged in, ready to go, saving us a whole lot of time. Couple of things to remember about static data form templates. Number one, if you have any information in those fields on the form, the template will overwrite those fields on the form. Number two, static data form templates cannot be shared with others in your market center. They're going to be exclusive to your DocuSign account. Thank you for watching this video. We trust that you are now ready to conquer your business and take it to the next level. If you have any questions, just please email our team at learncommand@kw.com. And if you would like to attend a live hands-on virtual training with our team, scan the QR code on the screen and sign up today.